In an ideal world, we would all love and respect each other for the qualities that are there within ourselves as a human being. And guess what? We can make this an ideal world if we actually give the other person a reason to do so, and the mental decision for it happens in the first impression itself. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini. I welcome you all today to my channel. We always say that I don't care and I don't have the time to take care of my appearance. Well, let me ask you a few questions. Would you like to live in a house which is clean, neat and organized, or would you like to live in a house which is full of clutter? Would you like to drive your car on a road which is smooth without any bumps, or would you like to ride it on a road which is like full of rubbish and potholes? Or for that matter, your food. Would you like to consume well-nourished, fresh food, or something that is stale and it's from the refrigerator which is 2-3 days old? I'm sure you always chose the first option. So if we want all the things around us to be neat, clean, tidy and fresh, then we can definitely make some time to make ourselves feel fresh and good. Now look, don't do it for anyone else, do it for yourself. We should respect ourselves enough to take the necessary actions to make ourselves feel and look good, because there are a number of benefits for doing so. The first important is, when you feel sharp, you think sharp, and it is way better than feeling sluggish and lazy and really not inspired. It is kind of a way of yourself telling the universe that I am ready for anything that comes. If it's a challenge, I am dressed up for it, I can take it on. And if it is a reward, guess who's dressed up for it? I am. Bring it on, right? This is just a way of letting the universe know that you are active, you are alive, and you are ready for everything that the universe and the world has to present to you. This actually reminds me one of the incident that always used to happen in my office. There is this very important meeting that used to happen every week, and I would dress the hell up for that meeting and make sure that I always had a blazer on, so that I feel that confidence when I am in that meeting. And it so happened that over a period of time, everybody would knew that it is the meeting today, so Ashwini is going to wear that blazer. Now see, did that blazer make any good or bad impact on that meeting? I don't know, but it sure made me feel very energetic and deliver whatever I had to deliver with a lot of confidence. And that's what I'm saying, do it for yourself. It doesn't matter what other people think of you, it matters what you think of yourself, and whether you think of yourself worthy enough to put that amount of effort to look and feel good for yourself. See, taking a shower, grooming yourself, dressing up are not mandatory things, they are optional. Actually, no, not taking a shower is not optional, please. It's a hit mein jari message that everybody should take one shower at least a day. But other things definitely are optional. You may or may not do it, but I like to think of them as silent helpers for you to present to the world, or to present to yourself, that no matter any situation that has been thrown at you, whether good or bad, any challenge that is thrown at you, or any circumstances that are there, you yourself are exhibiting positive vibes as a strong personality who can take over anything no matter what. Looking good does not mean becoming a fashionista and spending a lot of money on clothes. No, it basically means presenting your best self to the world in the resources that you already have by making the best use of it. So if you do not have a ton of clothes, that's not a problem at all. Just take care of what you already have. If you do not have money to go out and spend on grooming services, that is also okay. Take care of the grooming essentials that you already have with you and make the best use of it. See, this whole funda boils down to only one thing, is that taking care of your appearance, of yourself, taking care of your clothes and taking care of your grooming. And that's why it is not just limited to your outer appearance. It also comes down to how well you are taking care of your body by making sure that you are eating healthy. How well are you taking care of your mind by making sure that you are surrounded by inspiring things. And how well are you behaving with others when you meet some strangers? What is the act of kindness that you are showing there? This is all basically those qualities which actually attract you or which actually make other people respect in you. See, now as I said, don't do it for others. Yes, people will respect you, people will want to spend time with you, people will want to be with you and be your friends when you look good, when they feel around you, when they feel good around you. But the most important person that stays with you day and night is yourself. So the respect you show to yourself matters more than anything and anyone else in this world. Don't take this video too seriously and this topic too seriously and feel at your heart if you're not already doing the things. That's okay. But as a friend, I would request you to try dressing up at least once a week, putting that extra amount of effort on your appearance and on your behavior, and I definitely tell you that you will see a difference. See, basically, what is too much and what is too little when it comes to appearance is everyone's individual choice. It is not for me to decide. But I'll tell you one thing, my friend. You, the one who's looking into this video, is basically the real hero of your real life, and no one has the power from stopping you from being a superstar. I hope this video has inspired you a little bit. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. My latest videos are right here, and I will see you in the next video. You take care till then. Bye.